Friends, in any investment, return on investment or ROI is one of the most important thing. Like in the case of fixed deposit, generally ROI is declared 6%, 7%, whatever it might be. But imagine a scenario where you need to invest multiple times and you get returns also multiple times on various dates. So we need to calculate IRR or internal rate of return in such scenario. So I am taking an example of LIC Jeevan Utsav policy and will be calculating IRR of that policy. Now one disclaimer. So this is an educational video demonstrating Excel capabilities. So I will not be advising anything. Okay, so just a pure demonstration. So we'll be using XIRR function of Excel. I have downloaded brochure from its official website. So just Google search if you want. So let's understand relevant and important portion from this brochure which is required for our calculation purpose. Okay. So if I just go through this brochure, okay. So it is an insurance plus sort of investment policy, it says. Okay, we can have a regular income benefit. Okay. Let's assume that I am calculating it for basic sum assured, which is 5 lakhs. Okay. So please remember this figure, 5 lakhs. Okay. Death benefit I will be ignoring. Okay, we will not think from that perspective. Let's see that if we survive, that what is the return. It says that regular income benefit equal to 10% of basic sum assured. So 5 lakhs is our basic sum assured, 10% of it. That means it comes to 50,000 will get end of every policy year. Okay, but it would start after specific years, which is there. So I'm ignoring this option too because it would be tricky for the calculation. So we'll keep it simple. Okay, now the next question comes from which term we need to make payments. Okay, so I will be taking example of 16 years. Okay, so for 16 years we will be paying premium, and from then 19th year till our death or whatever we'll be getting income. Okay, 19th year will be from 19 onward we'll be getting income. Okay, then what is the premium? Let's scroll and check the premium. Okay, so for 5 lakhs sum assured and 16 payments, okay, premium, yearly premium, okay, is 29,900. Okay, I think these figures are crucial for our calculation. Okay, let me go to the Excel workbook for calculation. Okay, so I'm using online version of Excel or web-based version of Excel. You can also use offline version Excel. Anyway, both work same. Okay, now let's get to, so entry year of the age is 10 years. So just assuming that, let's say my kid is 10 years old and let's say he survives for 75 years. Okay, so that means total 65 years more he will survive. So let me write 1 2 and drag this for 65 years. So I'll remove extra rows. Okay, so this, you can say this year. Okay, and various dates. For XIRR we require date and amount. So let me write any date. We'll keep it simple. So 1st Jan 2025, that is a starting date. Next year 2026, and this way I will double click and it would auto drag. Okay. Now in amount there is always a thumb rule for XIRR function. Okay, so any investment amount is outflow. Okay, and the return is inflow. So all the outflow should be negative and all the return you get or income you get should be positive. Okay, so the premium we would be paying is outflow, so we'll denote it by negative sign. So what is the premium? So every year we have to pay premium of 29,900. Okay, so I would write minus 29,900. Okay, 29,900 for 16 years. Okay, so I will be paying this amount for 16 years. Let me properly format this so that it becomes simple. Okay, for 16 years we will be paying premium. So outflow, that means minus. Okay, then 17, 18 year, nothing doing, no premium payment or no income. Okay, so you can simply write 0 here. Okay, and from 19 year till whatever you survive, okay, you will be getting income of, we just saw, 10% of sum assured. Okay, 10% of basic sum assured. Yeah, 10% of basic sum assured. That means if the sum assured is 5 lakh into 10%, this is the amount we will be getting lifelong. Okay, so you can double click and drag this. So 50,000 is inflow for all the years. Okay, now let's calculate internal rate of return or XIRR formula. And don't confuse, there is a function called IRR, but that is not applicable here. So we require XIRR function of Excel. Okay. So let's see what is the syntax of XIRR. Is equal to XIRR. Okay, I will click here and it would open brackets. Now it says values. Okay, or series of cash flow we need to select. So let us select values, comma, second dates. Okay, dates of this cash flow, and just ensure that the length of the range for both should be same. So it should not mismatch. Okay, bracket close. Okay, this is the XIRR. Let me double click and expand it. Okay, now this is in percentage. So point. So let me change this format to percentage. It comes to 5.57%. So it is as good as an investment with 5.5% return. But again, don't get confused. So this is an insurance policy. So in insurance policy, insurance is the main factor, not an investment. Okay, but if you want to calculate IRR or internal rate of return, this is what the IRR is, which you can calculate. I hope this video was insightful. So please try this on your own policy with an objective of learning Excel. So if you like this technique, do like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the YouTube channel.